how to factory reset the Sifely lock. So first things first, you're going to want to make sure that it has power. So we'll go ahead and click there. You can see that it has power. But here on the back, I've already removed the back plate, but the back plate would normally be right here, and you just push it off like that. And then next, you'd find the reset button, which is right here. I got a pencil, and I'm gonna hold it down for 3 seconds. After I hold it down for 3 seconds, it'll ask me to type in a code. And I'll go over to the front and I'll type in a code. It's gonna be 3 zeros and a hashtag, or it'll be 4 zeros and a hashtag. Now, the factory reset, this will completely reset everything on your lock. So please be careful if you are resetting, that is what this is gonna do. So we'll go ahead and hold it down. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, and you'll wait. There you go, it asks for the passcode. We're gonna go ahead and turn this around. And we'll type in the passcode, it'll be 3 zeros and a hashtag. So 1, 2, 3, hashtag. There you go, guys. It went ahead and deleted it. If that didn't work, you'd want to go ahead and try those steps again, but with 4 zeros and a hashtag. But if you guys have any questions or need any help, please leave a comment. And if this helped you guys, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.